What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a little bit of a product review and unboxing for today. I ordered some protective gear. One's a jacket, one's a hoodie with pads built in. Figured it'd be good for the springtime, the winter, and the fall where it's a little bit colder. So let's get into it. One of them is they're both from Amazon. One of them is from Vance Leather and the other is from Milwaukee Leather. If you look into this stuff on Amazon, you've probably seen those two company names come up. They're all over the place on there. There's one, there's the other. Get this out of the way. Open these up. Do the jacket first. Put this to the side. So the jacket is from Vance Leathers. I ordered a size L because everything looked like it was a little bit bigger. Sizing ran big. Well, that's what they said on the reviews. It looks like this is actually pretty true to size. This is definitely feels like a large. I would normally take a medium, but this is nice. Wow. So there's buttons and a zipper. So it's little snap buttons. There's a pocket and a zip pocket. Snap pocket, zip pocket. The pads feel like they're perfectly in the right spots. Like there's two elbows, two shoulders, and then there's a back pad. Let me show you the inside of this thing. There's the back pad. Yeah, this is pretty good. Vance Leather. I mean, this is 80 bucks. It's a great deal. It's warm, it's comfortable. There's lots of inside pockets too. There's a pocket here. There's one there. Nice. All right, so this is a keeper. I wish I had gotten medium. That's the only thing. So I wonder if the other one's going to be similar. Let's see. Now this is Milwaukee Leather. Also, by the way, neither of these things are made of leather, but you know, that's the name of the company. Okay, so this one, I can feel the pads. This is a zip hoodie. Let's see, yeah, this one is also a size L, and I probably could have gotten a medium. But it's pretty good though, because the sleeves are not too long. The sleeves are correct, where they come into the right spot on my wrist. Nice. Good size hood. Feels comfortable. Elbow pad, again, elbow pads. Shoulder pads, yep, I feel them. And back pad. And this one, let's see. There's an inside pocket on each side. This one has a port for your headphones, which I don't know why people ride with headphones on. It's dangerous. Let's see. There's the back pad. Comes in and out with a little flap there, Velcro flap. Yeah, inside pockets. This is great. This one I'm glad I got a large for because of the sleeve length. So I'm happy with these. In fact, both of these have housings, Velcro housings, where you can remove the pads if you so choose. Very cool. I'm definitely going to be using them today because it's a little bit chilly out, and so I'll probably ride to Electric Wednesday with one of those on. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.